Let's pop a top and talk about real estate. Hey, hope you're having an awesome start to your week. It is March 25th. I want to give you a quick market update on what we are seeing in the market. So there was a Fed meeting last week. Chairman Powell got up and spoke afterwards. Prior to the meeting, the stock market had fallen just a little bit, which is generally good news for what we need to see in the economy to kind of continue growth forward. But after Chairman Powell got up, he seemed to be very optimistic, saying that we're going to see increased GDP growth on top of what they were projected. And they're also looking at rate cuts later this year, which they've kind of hinted at, but he said with a little more certainty, they're expecting hopefully to have 3 rate cuts this year, the first one most likely being in June. So that seems a little weird to me that we're going to have increased growth and we're going to have rate cuts in order to fight inflation. It seems like we don't want all of those things in the same cocktail mix all at the same time, but I just sell houses. I'm not, a national economist. So anyway, what is that going to mean for you as a consumer? It means most likely in June, we are going to see a small rate cut. That is going to be a 0.25% to 0.5% cut in the Fed funds rate. That does not mean that mortgage interest rates are going to fall 0.25% to 0.5%. They sure could. And really, we've just been seeing a lot of fluctuation in rates. We're right around 7% right now. And we are projected that by the end of this year, we're still going to be at about 6.5%, 6.25%. So we'll attach the projections at the bottom of this email for what the Fed funds rate is going to have, the effect they're going to have on mortgage rates over the next 2 years. That was really hard to say. So you can kind of see that for yourself. We have 2 different analysts we've looked at. And ultimately, we're not going to see rates come down a significant amount this year, most likely. We're still going to be over 6% by the end of this year. So if you're looking to sell your home, it's very important to have it priced appropriately to make sure you have a really good marketing strategy in place. If you're looking to buy a home, it could be a really good opportunity to get in on a home while there's not a lot of competition and hopefully get a good deal. And with that, some of the ways we're structuring our offers is we're able to get buyers locked in with the seller covering some of their closing costs, which is reducing their interest rate down to about just over 5%, like 5.25%, something like that. So that's a huge drop. We would love to share some of those strategies with you and help put you in a position for success as we're entering this year. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, we'd love to chat with you. Make sure to give us a call. We here at the Baxter Home Team love helping you find home.